Good afternoon, class. I am here today to talk to you guys about slideshows. So, first thing I want to show you guys is you are actually answering the questions that are on this restaurant business PowerPoint. So these are the questions I want you guys to go over right now. So as you're adding the answers, you can just hit enter, tab, and then you can type in your answers. So go to the Google Apps, click on slides. So the first one we're going to do is where do you find Google Slides? So when you are on your just Google homepage, let's install this later. Okay. So when you're on your Google homepage, you're going to come here to this little waffle looking thing that's called Google Apps. You click on Google Apps and then you're going to go down to Slides. That's how you get to Google Slides. Now, the second question is, how do you create a new Google slide? So what you do is when you're on your Google Slides, you just click this plus button right here, and that creates a new Google slide. Pretty simple. So next thing, how do you name your project? So we're going to go here where it says Untitled Presentation. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to write the name of your restaurant. So I'm going to do Sky Sweet Shop and click enter. Okay, so next question. How do you share it with your partners? So only one person needs to create this PowerPoint, and then you guys can all share it. So you're going to go here to share, and then you can type in the other person's name that you want to add, and then just click send. So now it is shared. You can also make sure when you go under here, let's see, you can get a shareable link if you'd like to. You can also make sure that they can edit, not just comment and view. So, but by default, it should just go to where they can edit. So next question, how do you pick a theme? So we have the standard stock themes that are right here that show up automatically. And so you can pick one of the themes that are here, or personally, I like going to, let's see, we'll do Google Slide Themes. My favorite is going to slidescarnival.com. So if you click on here, there are hundreds of different themes that you can choose between. I kind of wanted to go with an elegant theme, so you can go in here and you can click elegant and go down and find the one you like. Say I like this one and check it out. Go through the different options, clicking through the slides. Once you decide, oh, yep, this is for sure the slideshow I like or the theme I want to use, you just go right here. It says use as Google theme. It's going to ask you if you want to make a copy. You're going to say yes, make a copy. And it is loading. There we go. So this is like the copy of the presentation that they did, just showing you what all the different options are. But now that it's here, when you're here, you can import a theme. And so you can go to import theme and you can look at ones that you've already done. And then you can upload one if you want to upload one. But so say I want to click on this one, I can select this theme. So I'm going to import this theme right here. And then now this is your theme. So now when I go in, I have all these different options. So this is actually kind of going into the next one, that is how do you add more slides? So now that you have the theme picked, so I can go in, I can say this is the title page I want. I can add one with columns if I want columns in there. I can go in and add one with a short title. So you've got a bunch of different options once you've kind of picked your theme that you want to go with. So, oops. Next question is, how do you add images to your slides? And I'm kind of going to explain both. How do you add text and how do you add images at the same time? Because it's the same way. So obviously, if it's already set up to add a text, you can just click on it and add the text that's right there. If there's not a spot for it already, you can go insert, and then you can insert an image, insert a text box. You can actually even insert like video or shapes, tables, charts. There's all kinds of options here of things that you can insert. So another way of doing it is you can go here to the text box or go here to the image. So you'd be able to download the images, and then you'd be able to download the text boxes right here. So the next question I'm going to go over is, how do you add transitions? You add transitions. So once you've picked your theme, you can close that. So to add transitions, you can click here, add transition, and then you can do like a slide from the right. So I can do that, and I can apply it to all. Now, if I want to click on a specific one, if I want to pick on a specific thing to add an animation, so here it says how to add animations. I can go here, and once I've selected a specific item, I can hit select an object to animate, and then I can have it fade in, fade out, fly in, whatever you would like. So that's some more options for you there. Last one is, how do you add notes? You'll see in the presentation that I made, here I added notes on the bottom because I wanted to talk about why I created the logo the way I did, what my inspiration was. And so an idea for you guys is you could add your notes here of maybe like who's going to talk on this slide, what you're going to talk about. So that's something important for you to put on there.